Today we are making taler bora or Palmyra palm fritters. Ingredients required to make fritters are the pulp of one big tal or Palmyra palm, flour for the binding, semolina for the crispiness, sugar for the sweetness, grated coconut, and a pinch of salt. Palmyra palm or tal is a very tall, approximately 30 meters, single-stemmed evergreen tree. The crown is composed of fan-shaped 50 to 60 large leaves. The lifespan of Palmyra palm tree is approximately 100 years. The plant has spines or sharp edges and should be handled very cautiously while in use. It grows in hot, dry, and monsoonal areas, both forest and open countries. Hence, India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia happens to be the best cultivated area for Palmyra palm or tal. The Palmyra palm or tal has got a huge economic value in countries like India, Cambodia, Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka, etc. The leaves are approximately 2 to 3 meters long and used for making fans, baskets, hats, umbrellas, mats, etc., which are sold in the market. In ancient days, the leaves were used for writing manuscripts as well. The syrup extracted from the fruit of Palmyra palm or tal is used to make jaggery or palm sugar. The tree sap has also got huge medicinal value. Extract the pulp from the seeds as shown in the video. Transfer the extracted pulp into a strainer and strain well. Straining helps to remove the fine hairs and makes the pulp smooth. We are extracting the pulp directly into a mixing bowl. Add salt, sugar, flour, grated coconut, and semolina to the pulp. Mix all the ingredients together as shown. Mix all the ingredients well so that no lumps are formed. Leave the mixture aside for at least half an hour. Oh yes, we also need refined oil to deep fry the fritters. Heat sufficient amount of oil as we shall be deeply frying the fritters. Place small portions of fritters in 10 to 12 numbers in the oil and fry at one go. Fry the fritters for approximately 5 to 7 minutes or till golden brown. Do not overdo the fritters. Once the fritters are removed from oil, the color deepens due to caramelization. Serve the fritters hot or cold as per choice. If you like our video, do try making the fritters at home and share with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos in future.